Hey guys, welcome back to Broken Pour. Today we're going to be doing the interior of the camper on the K2500. So we got it all cleaned out. And we're going to be building a platform up above the fender wells there, so we can put a bed all the way across and a couple big drawers to slide out in the middle. Let's get started. So I think this will work fine for the platform. I'm not gonna over-engineer it. I think it'll be plenty strong. I got some 5/8 OSB I'm gonna put on top of it, so it should be able to hold that span just fine. But now we're gonna work on building the drawers that'll slide in these holes here. If you've never seen one of these attachments for a skill saw, that little thing right there, it's pretty much the best thing ever. It's a guide. You can rip these down without a table saw, and it keeps it nice and consistent. Now we're just going to make another one. There's half of it. Now, theoretically, I can just flip this piece over, trace it, and we'll have the same piece over here. We got a big, gigantic drawer. And it's going to be just supported by the bed there. I'm going to screw that right there. I'm going to screw that to the bed of the truck so that this board won't lift up from the weight being pushed down on this. So then the drawer will hold itself up. We just put a couple screws in that part right there to keep this from lifting up when you pull the drawer out. That way it can be fully extended and not have to have like a leg to hold it up when it's out here. We got the deck all nailed down. It's pretty much ready to throw a mattress in. These marks can get pretty confusing. There's my pencil mark. That's why it's like 7 inches too long. Oh well. So I got the other drawer built, so now I'm gonna make like a little flip down or flip up kind of lid to hold that all in there so it don't move around going down the road. So I left this little dead space here in between the tailgate just for, not really for any particular reason, but just kind of ended up that way. But I think it would look a lot cleaner with a little door go over top of that all. Alright, well, it's as done as it's gonna be. Made a little door here. Little latches just to kind of hold the thing in place. Lift that up. Got drawers. They slide out. I made this little top. Fits on this one. Just nailed this little piece here on each side. But that way this will sit there like so, and I can use it as a table. Got the other one here. Might be wondering why one's OSB and one's plywood. That's because beggars can't be choosers. I didn't pay for any of this lumber. Pretty much just swindled it off of the job site, stuff that was left over. Now I left this little area here intentionally. I'm gonna put a water tank in here. You have to stick around, that'll be another video. But let's throw the air mattress in there and see how it fits. Nap in here for sure. This is a hell of a lot better than the last arrangement. I was gonna make the bed so it looked nice and cozy. So that pretty much does it. Got it all done. I just got a little cheap air mattress in here for right now, but I'm gonna eventually get a piece of like memory foam mattress probably a king size because we've got a little bit of space here, and I'll cut it down to fit in there perfectly. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this build, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.